Welcome everyone. My name is Shalon Taylor and I want to give a small tutorial over Nearpod. Nearpod is a great interactive tool for most students as well as very engaging for teachers to use with technology in their classroom. I usually go and log in like normal to go into the account that I've already. But if you have not created an account, you still log in as normal. Usually, you can log in with Google. You can sign in with Microsoft. You can also use Clever or ClassLink if you have a login through your district's website. But since I'm doing it as a tutorial, I'm going to log in with a normal personal Google website link and email. While Nearpod is loading, I want to add that Nearpod is not just for lower elementary students. It is also for most higher education as well as a useful tool in professional development. Now, it will allow you to bring up lessons from a library that you choose, or you can get it, you can have one created using their tools in their app. Now, of course, you can explore the Nearpod library. You can upload your own lesson or slides that you have, or you can create one from scratch. They also have added features that is for additional cost, but I would not suggest you do that. You want to use for the purposes of. Now, because I did explore the library, I have already uh, created or received a useful tool that I want to use in my classroom. It has student pace, it can have live participation, or it can be projected as an interactive video. And the students do not have to have the code for the device. Now, if I have the students with laptops in the morning, I would definitely usually give the students the assignment and they can begin. Maybe that'll be a do now activity to get your computers ready for the lesson and with a sheet of paper and a pencil. Now, I did stop this lesson, and one good thing about Nearpod is that you can always resume previous lessons and go back and pick up from where you left off if you need to reteach. Upon creating a lesson, Nearpod creates a website link to where you can share it to your students through Google Classroom, through email, through Teams, through Remind. And the code is also displayed in front of the classroom if you are doing a direct teach in that lesson. But once all students log in and you will see names pop up as they come in, you will then downsize and I can either begin as a teacher-led instruction or a student-led instruction. But we're going to do this tutorial as a teacher-led. I enjoy that they have videos. These videos have stopping points where you can use for check for understanding to where these students have a interactive way of learning. I'm not going to keep you too long on this video and I'm going to show you the great perks, but make sure that you use Nearpod as a great tool in your lesson planning toolkit. Now, as soon as the video begins, you will then see an open-ended question that is guiding your students into the lesson, right?
Informational texts tell facts. Facts are always true. Authors write informational books to teach other people facts about a topic. These books are fiction.
With each stop in the video giving an assessment to check to see if they are understanding the lesson that was taught. Well, I am very pleased with Nearpod. And I hope that you are engaged with doing this lesson with any of your lessons that you decide to use.